I just worry because she beats up on her cousin who's sitting there getting her face painted, and she's 3 and she's a year and a half, so just gotta watch her.
Well, at least you don't gotta worry about anybody running roughshod.
No, yeah.
Alana!
She's a little...
Just a tank, yeah. She just plows through everything. Yeah, she really is. That's why I was worried about the bunny and the
There she is.
pictures. I'm like,
How did that go?
It actually went okay. She started to beat up on the bunny for a second, then she hurried up and grabbed it, so it was alright. We got one.
Did you smile ready for pictures?
No smiling, dirty looks.
Oh, okay.
I got classic tantrum face in ours.
Nice. Oh, look at that. She's like, come back.
No, Squish. We're not doing the stairs.
Maybe like 2 minutes. 15 minutes and the egg hunt will start.
Wow, longest hour ever.
Yeah, not yet.
Waiting for noon. Oh, she's gone. There she is again.
How old?
16 months, 17 maybe, closing in on 17.
When's her birthday?
November 10th.
Yep, she's November 9th.
Really? You know, a little boy across the hall from me is 10 days one way or the other from her. Must have been something in the water in here.
I guess.
His name is Nathan. I'm surprised we haven't seen him yet. He is adorable.
Aww.
He's got the cutest little round face ever.
Yay!
Oh, speaking of cute little faces. Hey, Squishy, look at all the hair she's got. Who can grow some now too, you know? Opa!
I called and got the exact price for you.
Oh, she loves drawers. You're not supposed to open those drawers, Squishy. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Don't touch it, okay? So it's dry. It looks pretty. You want to take a picture?
It's 5 more bucks.
What you girls getting into? Are you trying to show your new friend bad habits? Oh, and now you run away from her.
Alright, so
Shows are going to start, and they're looking on different networks.
okay, so HBO would be 91, so 5 more bucks.
Thank you.
Alana, where you at?
That locks you in, and then after that.
When the years up to
Opa! Said just borrowing your leg for a minute.
you still live here? You want to keep it? Oh, get that. Oh, you got timbers all over. Please, careful. That's what I told you.
You're fine. I'm getting butts and knees left and right.
So, 91 with HBO. Call for their 70.